Imagine how satisfying it would be to deliver somebody's luggage that they thought they had lost forever at the airport and make money with it too. Have you ever thought about potentially making around $800 in just 4 hours? Well, this is a possibility with delivering lost airport luggage. This side hustle has a potential to be making a significant amount of money, especially during the holidays when everybody's hustling and bustling. In this video, we'll explore what the job entails, the requirements for this job, and the companies in which you can actually apply and start doing this. First, let's talk about what is this job? What does it mean? What is it? What is it? When somebody loses their luggage in an airport, it is stored in a facility, and it is kept there until a third-party delivery service is contacted. As being an independent contractor, you have the ability to pick up this luggage and deliver it while making money all on your own time. In a way, this job is sort of similar to being an Uber, as you're picking up something and bringing it to a place while making money all on your own schedule. But the catch here is, like an Uber, you have to deal with people, but delivering luggage, you do not, which is a plus in my book. Depends on the person, I guess. And of course, you would be delivering this luggage to their rightful owners that have lost this luggage. Now, in order to be qualifiable for this job, you have to be at least 18 years old, and then you also have to have a clean driving record and a smartphone. Lastly, of course, you'll need a vehicle to be delivering this luggage, whether it be a car or an SUV or, I don't know, why was I gonna say school bus? Do any of you own a school bus out there? Yeah, just like if you have a car or an SUV or a school bus or, you know, an airplane. Anyways, you need a car, a vehicle. There are so many different companies that will hire independent contractors for this job. There are several companies that will hire you to be an independent contractor, such as Senpex, GoShare, and Reliable Courier. For each company, they're going to have their own set of requirements and different pay rates, meaning just how much you're going to earn flat out, and then you can also earn tips within this job. Some companies will also require a background screening, whether this be a drug testing, while other companies are going to have different vehicle requirements. If you're interested in this opportunity, then you can apply to any of these companies and start making money just delivering lost luggage. It's a flexible side hustle that will start earning you some good cash while also earning even more cash during the peak travel times of the years. So if you do this, that technically means you're an independent contractor, but what does this exactly mean? Well, first of all, you would have the flexibility to create your own schedule, which is something that I feel like everybody would love. You have the potential to earn a significant income, like I said, especially during peak travel times. You would also have the opportunity to work for yourself and be your own boss and be just on your own schedule. My favorite part of this would probably be not having to deal with any people. You're just simply delivering luggage, because sometimes people can be a pain in the butt. You also would have the ability to be driving your own vehicle on your own time. And then something that I always love is tips. You have the opportunity to be earning tips on top of the flat out pay rate that they'll give you. On top of having to be over 18 years of age and a clean driving record and having your own car, you'll need a proof of insurance and vehicle registration. And then you might also need the ability to push and lift heavy objects as you're delivering different types of luggage. So lifting something up to 50 pounds might be a requirement depending on the job. But let's talk about how much you can make when delivering lost luggage. The earning potential within this side hustle is pretty substantial. But here's something that you need to know when it comes to making money within delivering lost luggage. The pay rates and the tip rates are always going to be varying. The amount of money that you can earn depends on a few different factors. And these factors could be the number of deliveries that you're doing or the distance that you're going to be driving. And then also the size of your vehicle plays a role into how much you're getting paid. Something I would keep in mind is not every customer is going to tip you, but if these customers do choose to tip you, which I wouldn't put it past them as you are giving them their lost luggage, these tips can significantly increase how much you're earning. Something I would like to note is larger vehicles are going to have more opportunities for different jobs. And I say this because they have the ability to do more deliveries. They can fit a lot of stuff in them. For example, if you just casually drive a school bus, nobody, maybe there's one person out there that is like, yeah, that's me and my school bus. Like, what? Now, each company will have, of course, its own set flat-out pay rate. For example, SendPex offers a flat-out $23 an hour pay rate, and GoShare pays an average of $45 an hour. And this is going to be for cars and SUVs and minivans. However, for pickup truck drivers, they offer around $70 per hour. I don't know how many of you are going to have a pickup truck lying around, but there you go. Something that is also important to take into consideration is you do not get reimbursed for gas. So the amount of money you're getting paid is just the amount of money you're getting paid and then maybe some tips. So it's always a good idea to consider the amount of fuel you are using in regards to how much you're getting paid for each job. Now, which companies should be the companies that you apply to within this job? Reliable Couriers is going to be one of the top airport delivery luggage services to apply to. They offer competitive pay rates, and you can also deliver things that aren't luggage to people as well. Now, for this specific company, you are going to need to pass the drug screening and background test. And then with this company as well, you're going to need to show your registration, your driver's license, which I hope you guys have a driver's license. If you're driving a car, you should. That's just something maybe you should do. So ultimately, overall, delivering airport luggage is going to be a flexible job that you can just simply do on your own time. With the potential to be earning up to $800 in just 4 hours, this is something that would be worth considering. So this job might be a good fit for some of you, but overall, I wouldn't say this is the best method in making money online. This can certainly work. However, one of my favorite ways to be making money online is making YouTube videos, but not even having to show your face in them. This is something that can certainly work. However, one of my favorite methods is having a YouTube channel and making money with it without actually having to make YouTube videos. My brother has made millions doing this, and he has a free step-by-step course right here if you're interested in watching. He goes over exactly how to do this step by step, and trust me, you will get a ton of value from this. Make sure to check it out, and we'll see you guys there. Bye!